Hello guys, welcome to new layer introduction of Adobe After Effects. Where is the new layer? Right click, the first one. Here is new layer commands, the most important part of Adobe After Effects. So the first one is text. If you need to create by going to layer menu, new text. Select and write something like a test. Selection tool and set to center of the composition screen. Don't forget, if you need to edit the text or text, go to text, change the font style, change the regular italic bold, change the size, and change the fill and stroke. In paragraph, you can control to right, left, center. So if you need to create motion for this text, go to effects and presets, just write 3D. There you have a lot of 3D text animations. Close, go to animation presets and go to text. Go to 3D text and there is another lot of text animations presets. Click on 3D text and select one of them. Play now. Don't forget you can control the text animations by selecting the text layer. Press U to see keyframes. You can change the second keyframe to 1 second. It means complete the text animations in 1 second. So, what is next? Solid. Before going to solid, don't forget, there you have the text icons in toolbar. By click here and click the composition screen, write your text. So if you need to create some background effects, if you need to create some mask, so if you need to create just solid color layer, just click on solid. There you have a multi options. The first one is about the name of your layer. What do you want to create from the solid? If you need to create background, right here the background name. If you need to create mask, so write something like a BG, background. Set the composition size, your solid, and click OK. Before clicking OK, you can change the color of solid. Click OK. OK. Move the background solid to down of the layer. And let's play now. Here's. Okay guys, if you need to add some effects to create multicolors, to create background, go to effects and presets and write something like a CC particle word. Double click and go to Grid Guides, change to world, and then go to producer, change the radius like this. Play now. You can control the particles, set to faded sphere, shaded sphere. Play again. If you need to use this solid for the mask, go to toolbar, select the rectangle, select your solid, create mask, and then by press F4 to turn on the track matte, change to text. Take a look, there you have a lot of more options. So if you need to move the text down, up, it means you can use the solid like a mask or workflow. Okay, let's select the text, press delete and delete. What is next in new layer? Light. You can create four type of light: parallel and spot, point, ambient. So if you need to create the spotlight, change the color of the light, click OK and click OK. There you can control the light by press E to rotate. OK. And now rotate the light. How the lights work? Let's create a new solid by press Ctrl plus Y. Click OK. Move the solid down of the light. Press F4. Just turn on the 3D. Press V for the move. Select the light. Control the light like this. Select the light and go to Layer, Light Setting, change to Point Light. Take a look, Parallel and Ambient Light. When you select the point light, change the color from there. Click OK and OK. Press T for the light intensity. Control the light intensity like this. Let's select all of them and press delete to delete. And the next is camera. Let's select the text, click here, right here, 3D, and select the 3D. Turn on the 3D switch. Move a little bit near, press Ctrl D, duplicate, move a little bit far, select, press Ctrl D, duplicate once again, little bit more far. Okay, let's create a light, point light with the warm color with little bit down intensity. So let's press T to control the intensity of the light by going to top. Take a look, where is the titles and where is the light? Move here and move there. Move the light there. Active camera. Let's make more lights. Select the light, bring to front, active camera. And now go to layer if you need to control the scene by camera. Create a new camera, select 24 millimeters, click OK. Select the orbit. There you have three options to control the camera: orbit, dolly, and move. Select the orbit, control the 3D camera like this. So if you need to control from setting, change to 15 millimeter, fade out, fade in. Select orbit, control from here. So this was about the camera control. And the next is null object. Don't delete the camera. If you need to control the camera by a null object to working easy, go to layer, new, create a new null object, and parent link the camera to null by pressing F4. Sometimes a parent link will be hide. You can show by right click, parent and link. Select the camera, link to null object, and now press V for the selection tool, control the null object. If you turn on the 3D button, and now you can control to Z axis, press Ctrl Z. And the next is shape layer. Let's select all, delete. Let's create a simple basic shape. You can create the shapes from there. You can create the shapes by going to layer and new, select the shape layer. So, and now you can create the circle shape and control from here. Control the size, control the stroke of the shapes, control the design of the stroke lines, and about the opacity, about the color. So if you need to create another type of shape, create a star and control the star from here. Star points, inner, radius, outer radius. So if you need to create a mask, first create a solid, okay? And now you can create a mask by drawing the star shape on the blue solid. So if you need to control, press V, select the button and control. Okay guys, what's next? Adjustment layer. The adjustment layer is very important and technical layer in Adobe After Effects. Take a look first. So if you need to create a text like what? Right, like a reflection. Turn off the caps lock. Set the reflection there and change the size of reflection and select another different color. Click OK and set here. If you need to create a reflection to there, let's create another new solid. OK and OK. Turn on the 3D. Select reflection, turn on the 3D. Move the solid down there. Press W to rotate, hold shift on keyboard to rotate -90 degree. And move here. Select reflection, move it down just there. So, and now I need select, press Ctrl+D on keyboard and right click. Let's flip vertical. Let's create a camera. Create the camera 24mm, okay. Let's see. There's one reflection. There's another reflection. And now I need to see the reflection of the title. But how? You can create a new adjustment layer and move the adjustment layer between these two titles. And select the bottom title, press T, control the opacity. Control, there is your title, without controlling the floor opacity. Okay, what about the next tricks of the adjustment? Let's import or open some video and drop on the composition icon. And now I need to control the video color, contrast, brightness. Create adjustment layer and let's write something there. Let's go to Window, Effects, Reset, and right here, Sine Converter. Double click, lock to lock, hold Control, lock to lock. On Control on keyboard to control the brightness, contrast, there. So let's write color balance. Double click, control the blue color a little bit. metals and highlight blue color. So let's select the adjustment layer and move. Take a look at the result. This is the second trick of the adjustment layer, or second workflow of adjustment layer in Adobe After Effects. Let's delete. And what is next after adjustment layer? Content overfill layer. You can see the perfect project video about the content overfill layer in introduction section of course. So what's next? Adobe Photoshop file. If you need to create Photoshop file in Adobe After Effects, just click on Adobe Photoshop file. Save first your file and go to project. So there is Photoshop PSD. And this screen is size of the Adobe After Effects project screen. When you edit photo, when you create logo, icons, shapes, so you can see in Adobe After Effects. Take a look. Press Ctrl plus S to save. Press Ctrl S. Save once again. Go to After Effects. And there is the logo which is created by Adobe Photoshop. If you need to move or change the color like this, press Ctrl plus S and see the result here. So there is the Photoshop file and there is the result. And next, if you have installed Maxon Cinema 4D file, then you can link dynamic with After Effects and Cinema 4D. Save first the Cinema 4D file, and then you can connect these two programs to create 3D models, animations in Cinema 4D, and you can see the result in Adobe After Effects. Let's see, where is Cinema 4D? Wait a moment. Okay, Cinema 4D by Maxon, Adobe After Effects. Includes a free license of Cinema 4D Live. Let's click OK. Okay guys, there is about Cinema 4D effect signware. We call the signware. And where is the Cinema 4D software? Fail. Thank you for watching, guys. So I have a lot of videos of tutorials, and I want to create more tutorials about Cinema 4D and After Effects to create the best motion graphics, 3D motion graphics. And then I want to create a 3D motion graphics section for this course, and you can watch, enjoy. So thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.